Picture this, you found your dream home, but there's a catch. Your credit score isn't up to par, and the bank rejects your loan application. Sounds scary, doesn't it? Welcome to this educational video on the importance of credit scores. As we move forward in the 21st century, our financial lives are becoming increasingly digital. One of the key aspects of this digital financial world is the credit score. It's a 3-digit number, but it holds enormous power. It's the gatekeeper to many of life's milestones. From buying that dream home to landing a great job, a credit score is a numerical expression that represents your credit worthiness. It's calculated based on your credit history, which includes your past and current loans, your repayment behavior, and other related factors. The higher the score, the better your credit worthiness. So why does this 3-digit number matter so much? Well, it's because lenders, landlords, and sometimes even employers use it to assess your reliability. A high credit score can open doors to lower interest rates on loans, better credit card offers, and more favorable insurance premiums. On the other hand, a low score can limit your choices and make life more expensive. In this video, we're going to dive deeper into the world of credit scores. We'll explore what a credit score is and why it matters. We'll also discuss the factors that influence your credit score and how you can manage them effectively. Moreover, we'll share some effective strategies to build and maintain a strong credit score in 2024. We'll also shed light on potential credit challenges that might come up this year and how to navigate them without harming your credit score. The world of credit scores might seem complex and intimidating, but don't worry. We're here to make it simple and understandable. So stick around as we unravel the mystery of credit scores and how you can keep yours in the green. Knowledge is power, and by understanding how credit scores work, you can take control of your financial health and open doors to countless opportunities. So, what exactly is a credit score? And why does it hold such power over our financial lives? Well, in the simplest terms, a credit score is a numerical expression that represents your credit worthiness. It's a reflection of your financial history, and it's calculated based on information found in your credit report. Now, you may be wondering how exactly it's calculated. There are 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, that use slightly different formulas, but they all consider similar factors. These include your payment history, the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit, the length of your credit history, the types of credit you have, and your recent applications for new credit. But why does it matter so much? Well, your credit score can impact many aspects of your life. For starters, it's a key determinant of whether you'll be approved for loans or credit cards. And it's not just about being approved. The better your score, the better the terms you'll likely receive, such as lower interest rates. But it doesn't stop there. Landlords may check your credit score when you apply to rent an apartment. Some employers may even peek at your credit score during the hiring process, especially for positions that involve handling money. So, a low credit score can potentially create hurdles in various aspects of your life. It can make it difficult to secure a loan or credit card, rent an apartment, or even land certain jobs. And if you do manage to secure a loan or credit card with a low score, you'll likely face higher interest rates, which can add up to significant amounts over time. But here's the silver lining: credit scores are not set in stone. They can be improved, and maintaining good credit habits can lead to a higher score over time. Remember, a low credit score isn't just a number, it's a potential barrier to achieving your financial goals. But with understanding, effort, and good financial habits, you can work towards building a stronger credit score and a brighter financial future. Now that we know what a credit score is, let's dive into what influences it. Firstly, we have payment history. This is the record of whether you've paid your bills on time or not. It's the largest factor that influences your credit score, accounting for about 35% of it. So if you've been regularly late on your payments or have had any accounts sent to collections, this could negatively impact your score. On the flip side, a history of making payments on time can boost your score significantly. Next up is credit utilization. This refers to the amount of your available credit that you're using at any given time. It contributes to about 30% of your credit score. A high credit utilization can signal to lenders that you're over-reliant on credit, which can lower your score. maintaining a low credit utilization ratio, say below 30%, is a good practice for keeping your score healthy. The length of your credit history also plays a role, making up approximately 15% of your credit score. This looks at how long you've had credit accounts open and the age of your oldest account. Longer credit history generally results in a higher score, provided the rest of your credit report is positive. The types of credit you have in use also matter. Having a mix of different types of credit, like credit cards, retail accounts, installment loans, mortgage loans, can improve your score. This diversity shows that you can handle a variety of credit types. Lastly, recent credit inquiries or new credit accounts can impact your score. If you've opened several new credit lines in a short period, it could signal risk and potentially lower your score. This factor accounts for around 10% of your score. So, the key to a healthy credit score lies in understanding these factors and managing them wisely. Now, armed with this knowledge, how can we build and maintain a robust credit score? Firstly, it's crucial to pay your bills on time. This sounds simple, but it's a significant factor that impacts your credit score. Late payments can negatively affect your score, so make it a habit to pay all your bills promptly. Secondly, keep your credit utilization low. This means not maxing out your credit cards and keeping a healthy balance between your credit limit and the amount you owe. A good rule of thumb is to keep your utilization below 30% of your credit limit. Next, don't forget to monitor your credit reports regularly. This will help you stay on top of any changes and promptly address any errors that might negatively impact your credit score. You're entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus every year, so take advantage of this. Now it's time to debunk a common myth. Many believe that closing unused credit cards will improve their credit score. However, this isn't necessarily true. Closing a credit card may decrease your available credit and increase your credit utilization ratio, which can harm your credit score. So think twice before you close that old credit card. And finally, take advantage of tools and resources available for tracking your credit score. There are numerous free and paid services that provide credit score updates and credit monitoring. These tools can be beneficial in helping you keep track of your credit health and making informed financial decisions. So, in summary, to build and maintain a strong credit score in 2024, pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, regularly monitor your credit reports, be cautious about closing old credit cards, and utilize tools for tracking your credit score. Remember, maintaining a strong credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and consistency are key. But what happens when you face credit challenges? How do you navigate these obstacles? In the world of credit, it's not always smooth sailing. The year 2024 may bring its own set of credit challenges, perhaps due to economic uncertainty or changes in lending practices. When these challenges arise, it's essential not to panic. Instead, take a step back and evaluate your situation. Are these challenges temporary or long-term? Can they be managed with careful budgeting, or is it time to seek professional advice? There are plenty of resources available for those facing credit difficulties. Credit counseling services can provide valuable insights and strategies to manage your credit. Debt management programs may also be a viable option, offering structured payment plans to help you regain control of your financial situation. Remember, a credit challenge is not the end of the road. It's merely a speed bump that you can overcome with the right strategies. Now let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the nitty-gritty of credit scores, understanding what they are and why they matter in our daily lives. We've explored the key factors affecting your credit score, including payment history, credit utilization, and the length of your credit history. We also discussed practical strategies to build and maintain a strong credit score. From paying your bills on time to keeping your credit utilization low, each action plays a significant role in maintaining your credit health. And remember, in the face of potential credit challenges in 2024, there are resources available to navigate these hurdles. In a nutshell, your credit score is like your financial passport. Take good care of it, and it will open the door to numerous opportunities. Ignore it, and you might find many doors closing. So start today, build your credit score, and secure your financial future.